altcoins, let me know when you can see me. Here I wanted to something real quick. What's up, guys? How the hell are you? Pretty nice day for Bitcoin and Litecoin, I would say. Likes to the moon first, guys. Thanks, Nicholas. Yeah, don't forget to hit the likes, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here and you haven't already. I do daily updates every single day. So Litecoin has hit our $70 target. These were from this morning. We hit our 66, got a little resistance there, popped through, got to our 70, and Bitcoin is on its way up still. Could we be finished here? We could. If you look at the RSI, though, I still think the RSI is going to push up here, even though if it was to close the 4-hour here, we would have hidden bearish divergence, but we'll see what happens. I still think we're going up to that 96.50 to 97.40, somewhere in that area. What's happening, Jeremiah? Matthias, Mooney, Dan T, what's up? Z-Bones, Chomsky, Jabbow, Kyle Kaufman, how you doing? Anthony, what's up, brother? Oh, Litecoin finally did something. Yeah, man, timing's a bitch in the market. Ronnie, no, you're not late. You're actually on time, brother. Little Miss Begster, how about that Bitcoin, right? It's looking pretty good. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good, actually. Do we get a retracement here? I don't think we're going to get a retracement here. I think in the worst case in Litecoin, we may come back down and test this 66 area for a while before continuing up. But we still have room in the RSI for one more push up here in the 4 hours. So we'll see what happens. Doing good, bro. Thanks, man. Enjoying watching these charts, right? What's up, Crypto Dave? What's up, Michael Fairman? Jakek, is that how you say your name? And Nicholas Foot, what's up? Bitcoin Broke, Lady Plants a lot. Steve S. People piling in today. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Is Coinbase down? I don't know. Ask anybody in the chat know if Coinbase is still down or not. What's up, Cheryl Bacco? I really haven't looked at the charts other than on my phone throughout the day. I just wanted to get this live up. And after this live, for the members, we're going to be doing our Zoom meeting. So if there's any members in here, make sure. Carrie Mitchell said she just checked it's up. Yeah, people are saying it's up. So, but any level 2 and 3 members in here, we will be doing a Zoom meeting after this. I will be sending out the Zoom link. So I hope to see you guys there. Coinbase is up again, it looks like everybody's saying in the chat. What's up, Novsky? How you doing, man? It's supposed to go down in 12 minutes, Jeremiah said. What's up, Linus? So anyways, will we get up to these targets? I'm going to show you guys something real quick. I had posted this in the members room last night actually. I think it was about 10 o'clock. But as you can see here, we were down in this area. I posted this chart saying to watch for the break of the 94.23 area. And that seems to be what's happening. My target off of that is 97.29. We'll see if that hits. 9600's resistance. Yeah, I'm sure we'll see a little resistance there. All the even numbers, we always see resistance just psychologically. But guys, we could go much higher. We could get up to that $10,000 range. So keep that in mind also. This is still looking pretty bullish just the way it's acting here. I'm gonna crack my monster, guys. Mike Weber, what's up with your bacon? What's up? Is it Annis? Is that how you say that name? What's up, Muhammad? Everybody's in a good mood today, right? It's nice when Bitcoin goes up. Everybody's not so grouchy. Hey, what's up, Stojan? Make sure you keep, like I said, for the members of level 2 and 3, I will be sending out a Zoom link after this, and we'll have a Zoom meeting together and discuss some things. McConkie cable. Well, Savvy sir, how's the form? I'm not sure I understand what you're saying. How is the charts looking? Dirksy 10,005 was the Chinese pump and sent us tumbling. Let's hope we get through it and smash it. Yeah, remember, I'm going to point this out too, guys. I've been talking about this for, I think it's been about a couple weeks now. It'll be 2 weeks now that this could possibly be, and there's no guarantee, obviously. This is just something to watch for. That 10.5 level is right up here. If that becomes a neckline, we could be looking at it inverse head and shoulders. So if we get up to that 10.5, get some heavy rejection. Like I said, not saying it's going to happen. It doesn't have to happen, but we could correct all the way down to that 7,500 area. So keep that in mind and don't get scared, and just don't freak out. I still think this year is going to be great. And if you look at the timing of that, let's do that. And that's just a rough, drawing I have in there. But if we did a rough estimate of where that might be, it would be around the end of March, maybe, when it bottoms out over here, which would line up with right before the halving. So who knows? That might happen. We will definitely be keeping an eye on that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do, because we do daily updates every single morning. California Times, thanks for the tip, man. California Times, everyone please dump Bitcoin for crypto dabbing. Ouch. Anyways, how is the form is a French term. It's like someone asking, how are you? You are well, I'm guessing. Oh, okay. Thanks, Crypto or Currency Revolution. I'm well. Thank you for asking. Jacob Michaels, congrats on the 12,000 subs today. Kick ass. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. YouTube's being something else. It's weird. Like some days I'll get 20, 30 subs and then they'll disappear. It's very strange. I don't understand what their algorithm's doing. But if you guys are subscribed, even if you're not, subscribe and make sure your notification bell's ticked and your all is clicked on there. Bitcoin broke. Congrats, bro. Thanks, man. Hey, Sav. Hey, Paul Bear. What's happening, brother? Omar Massa. Any trades at the moment? I am not. I was working today. People were asking. I wanted to get into this trade, but I had a lot to do at work today. I did not want to watch it. And I just didn't. But I would have loved to get in there. I think a couple guys in the members group got in. I think they got in the trade. So kudos. It's just hard to, I got to have good timing, good time, where I don't have a lot of stuff to do. Hey, Savvy, what do you do for a living? I run a company, and we sell and manage giant tire fleets in coal mines, stone quarries, big construction companies. Your channel is awesome, man. It's a daily routine to listen and watch on the way to work in the morning. Appreciate all you do. Thanks, Kyle. I appreciate that. Comments like that, man, is what makes it worth it. When people actually appreciate it, that's awesome. A lot of people are saying a dump at 10K, but usually that's when FOMO happens. Right? That's what I was saying, I'm looking at that as a possible inverse head and shoulders, but it could blow through 10 or 10.5 like butter, just like it did 6,000. So there's definitely stuff to watch there. Daryl Bradley, can you get me a job? Loving this market, up over 20% on my portfolio. Right on, Dan. Jeremiah Holdsworth. Oh, I already read that. What's up, Rayhan? Litecoin leading the way. It seems that way for sure. Litecoin did a pretty nice little run there. Bitcoin broke. I used to work in a mine. Do you do work for Aggregate Industries? Aggregate Industries? No, I've never heard of them. Nope. Quit your job. I'm full-time trader. Eva says, unfortunately, I like my job and I make a lot of money at my job, so that would be this is all I've done. This is what I've been doing since I was 17. Obviously I wasn't running a company, but yeah, I like what I do. I can't imagine myself. I've thought about it. I've really seriously thought about it, but I can't imagine myself sitting in front of the computer trading all day. I just, what I'm doing, I'm working, I'm building a retirement, and when I'm ready, I'm ready. It's over. That could be in 2 years, could be in 5 years. We'll see. Man, if it wasn't for Savy and his positive, straightforward outlook, I'm sure I would be loading shit coins. Haha. Love when you lose your marbles on trolls. Thanks, Dirksy. I apologize for when I do that, people, but I get passionate about that stuff, and you know, when you can see behind the scenes what's going on, it can really get to you to see people are getting screwed left and right, man. Top man Savvy shows the best. Tune in every day. Thanks, Hoover. Appreciate that. My TS said, so glad I FOMO'd in during your live stream last night. Driving and listening to your stream is so good. Thanks for your time and energy, bro. Raul, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Like I said, each and every one of you. If it wasn't for you guys, man, I obviously wouldn't do it. But to know that people actually get something out of it and enjoy it, makes it worth doing. Dirksy, Savvy and K-Dub are the best two straightforward YouTubers out there. Thanks, man. When's the Savvy coin coming? You know what? I may have someone put one up just for the hell of it. We'll screw around with it. Don't apologize, man. Keep it real. It's a great quality. Yeah, I know a lot of people get sick of it though, because I get people saying bad comments about it, like, I shouldn't go off like that, whatever, whatnot, but that's me, that's natural, that's what I do, so I guess if you don't like it, it is what it is. Savvy, you have a custom RSI setting? No, I don't. I just use the default. James Snyder, thanks for a tip, man. I appreciate that. Much appreciated. Didn't even ask a question or nothing. Just wanted to throw $5. California Times said, thumbs up, everybody. California Times, could we get a 168 thumbs up, family? What do we got? 146 people here. It shows on my counter. Yeah, guys, take a second out. Smash the like. Doesn't take any time, and it doesn't cost you anything. Neither does subscribing to the channel. Savvy coin going to the moon. Ahmed, what is my job? I just explained that. I won't do it again, but if you want later on or now, just go back about 4 or 5 minutes and I explained it. I don't want to bore people saying the same thing over and over. Hit the thumbs down twice and exit if you don't like it. Right on, brother. Savvy coin is only for savvy people. Savvy is Satoshi, maybe? Yeah, right. No Satoshi here. Craig writes Satoshi, man. Just playing, just playing. Don't take that as serious. Martiz, if you hit go down to the join button under the screen, it has the levels down there. If you want to check it out. Yo, what I miss? Not much, Eric. We are at a standstill. at a standstill. I do think we got another push up though coming. I do think we have another push up coming. If we do come down, I think it would only be to test the support back here, the old resistance at around 94.20. I find myself playing this song in my head after these streams. I'll switch the music up every once in a while too. Like I said, I get a certain batch of music I can pick from and don't have to worry about copyright infringement, so I gotta watch what I put on there. But I'll probably keep this one for a little while till people complain enough. Satoshi is Bitcoin broke. I forgot the keys. Hit the join button and see what the costs are, man. A lot of great knowledge if you're learning and want to learn, or even very experienced. Great room. Yeah, for experienced and non-experienced, you know, we're in there out helping each other out. So, and I'm going to start spending a lot more time in there and a lot more time helping out. And like I said, try to do these Zoom meetings at least once a week. I'm going to try for 2 times a week. I placed an order for a mug and a shirt top of Bitcoin. Can't wait for it to arrive. Check his wife's website out, guys. Some really cool stuff. Yeah, her webpage is down below. It's inkyyourimage.com. There is a link to it under the video. Check it out. She has some cool stuff in there. She also has like hoodies. I don't think the hoodies are in there. Long sleeve t-shirts aren't listed in there. Keychains and some other stuff. But yeah, definitely check it out. It's another way to help support the channel. Peter said, what's happened to Hexcoin? Hexcoin was a hex from the beginning. Only one person got rich off of Hexcoin. Ray said, I sold my Litecoin too soon. Hopefully I can rebuy in a decent pullback. There should be a pullback, guys. I believe there's going to be a bigger pullback when this moves over. Our next Fibonacci retracement, though, on the daily is all the way up at like 10,150 area. And then we have the golden pocket up around between 11,000 and 11,280, somewhere in that range. But as you can see, we are getting resistance right now on this RSI, this rising channel in white. I do think there's a possibility we get up. If we get up on top of this and test it for support, no telling. We could go up to that $11,000 range. So, but again, that's why I do daily updates. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Sherry Mitchell said I got my second shirt this week. Love them. Thanks. I appreciate the support, Sherry, very much. Hoover trading 18 months now. Pattern is a pattern. Has been solid tip. Keep the channel up, bud. Right on, Hoover. Yo, bro. Love from London. What's up, Bryce? What's up, Fizz from London? They were telling you yesterday to stop talking about Litecoin. Laugh out loud. I'll never stop talking about Litecoin. If I believe in something, I'll talk about it. If I don't, I won't. Just like my links down below, like I have the exchange links down there. Those exchange links are actually exchanges I use. Everything down there I use. The Brave browser, Ledger hard wallet, Elapale hard wallet, everything down there I use. And all those links, you get some kind of discount or something to benefit you too. And I get a small commission off of it. So that's another way to help support the channel. Use my links down below. Hex is not a scam, just my opinion. All right. Everybody has an opinion, man. Matthew says, Litecoin is the right coin, baby. Litecoin leads the way, looking good. The coronavirus is the way to get China to use its gold now. Think so? There's so many conspiracies about that. Yeah, just a lot of conspiracies, man. I don't understand the hate against Litecoin. It's not some pre-mine garbage like shitcoins. Exactly, Jabbow. A lot of it is just people listen to, you know, a lot of new people come into space and they start listening to certain people and they believe them people. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. The best place to get information for new people right now, unfortunately, is YouTube. And there's a lot of people that are just shilling shit for themselves and putting out their opinion like it's fact when it's not. It's unfortunate, man, and a lot of noobs get screwed as soon as they come into the space by a lot of influencers. Superman was one of them. People followed him, believed him, paid him for stupid ass courses, done all kinds of shit, and just lost all their money, you know. And where is he now? Now he made a video saying Bitcoin's a scam or whatever. He probably got wrecked because he's bitching about people trading and whatever. But anyway, I mean, a lot of shills, a lot of people are just in it for themselves to make themselves a bunch of money and take it out of your pockets so they can make the money. I mean, be careful. And when a lot of people act like they know what they're talking about in this space, and that's why I don't talk about the technology, anything like that. I think that is something you should look for, you should figure out, and not by listening to somebody telling you what they think it is. You need to really look into it yourself. And like I said, a lot of these guys are just pushing what they think or what they want you to think. It's you know, and a lot of it seems like it's all these facts and they're digging in and they know all this shit and they really don't know shit. Anyways, back to the chat. Sorry guys, started to get off on a little rant, but I won't do it. Did you hear what the Bank of England said? I did not hear what the Bank of England said. Jacob, you're the first YouTuber I've found. Very grateful for that. You always say it straight. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Litecoin has been here 8 years. Exactly. You're going to see tons of these coins that everybody's talking about because the projects are paying YouTubers and Twitter people to shill their shit, and they'll just disappear. When them guys got enough money, they dump all their coins on people when they, you know, people start buying it, and they bail, and then most of them go start a new project, claim that there's these devs on them, which I've explained this over and over. People are just getting screwed left and right believing in this crap. So don't do it. If greed is avoided, we all can make a lot of money. Happy trading. What else? What's we got going on in here? Will be more rocket fuel. For sure. I'd probably be deep in shit coins if it wasn't for this channel. Thanks, Savy. Right on, Big Ralph. And you know, like I said, I mean, if you're into shit coins and you're just trading them and you know how to trade, that's one thing, trading them. But, you know, they're talking, if you listen to a lot of these guys, they talk about these projects like they're real and they're really going to go somewhere and they're going to change the world. And they're garbage, guys. Trade them. Don't get caught in the dumps. I won't touch them with a 10-foot pole. I want nothing to do with them. Savvy, what do you think will happen to Litecoin if Bitcoin gets faster? I think, like I said, Litecoin isn't competing with Bitcoin, so it complements Bitcoin. I don't see anything happening to Litecoin. I don't see Litecoin going anywhere. Like I said, it wasn't pre-mined. It actually, you know, whenever they do any changes in Bitcoin, they put it on Litecoin first. Litecoin's like a test net for Bitcoin. It takes all the danger for Bitcoin when they're putting any changes to the code, because Litecoin was a soft fork, not a hard fork, so it's not competition. It was a soft fork of Bitcoin. It's essential for Bitcoin, if you ask me, regardless of what haters say. Most people just hate on it because it does well. It's been around for a long time, and they really want their shitcoin project to work. Like B-Trash. No, it's garbage. You don't need B-Trash. You got Litecoin. B-Trash, Roger got greedy. That's all that is. And then BSV, Craig Wright's greedy. They're both garbage, imposter, fake Bitcoin. And they stole the Bitcoin name and put it in front of it so they can fool new people to buy it. I mean, like I said, I wish there was more honest YouTubers in the space to express this stuff to people instead of the shitcoin shilling greedy ones, man. Bro, can you zoom in on the price? No, I can't zoom the price in, but it's right now we're at 95.37. No problem, James. Luck Baker said there is no 35% bonus on a 0.7 BTC deposit. Yeah, there is a bonus. You can put 10 BTC in and you'll get a bonus. You can't take the bonus out, but you trade with the bonus and keep the profits. So yeah, 35% bonus. Litecoin's one of the first fair launched crypto. Charlie gave everyone months heads up so it could be mined from the get-go. Right, exactly, man. Zcoin just keeps going up, another 35% today and over 216% per month. Just be careful. I'm telling you, when shit goes up like that, the projects will dump. Brexit will definitely make a push for Bitcoin. Savy, did you know that in Italy, Bitcoin and crypto are equivalent to USD and other fiat? Equivalent? I'm thinking that word is. And no, I didn't. That's good to know. Pound will fail because Bitcoin will rise. Thanks for all the hard work with your TA. Nice to catch you live. 2020, the year for crypto adoption. Definitely a very good possibility. I think it'll be a good year for crypto. Regardless, it'll be a good year for crypto. I'm new to trading. Do you have any tip? Yeah, learn as much as you can. Stare at the charts as long as you can. And start on a testnet. Don't use real money to start out. Good Ava Golf Bitcoin tournament. Should have a golf Bitcoin tournament. Is that what you meant? They use Dash at Burger King, South America. Litecoin to $1,000. Easy by the end of the year, Matthew says. Song Siren, how are you? I've not seen you in a while. Andrea Martella. Yeah, there are no difference, so they can tax on the gain. Not so good for me. Yeah, we get taxed on the gains too. The virus will cause fear. Fear is coming into Bitcoin and Litecoin, gold, and silver. Possibly. I think the virus is honestly just a bunch of smoke and mirrors. But I don't know. That's just my opinion. Bro, what could be the all-time high for Litecoin in the next bull market? The next bull market, like the whole bull market, it depends, man. 1,500. It depends on where Bitcoin goes. It depends on when this bull market ends. It could end 2021. And I think I've showed my chart. Just for fun, we'll go into this chart real quick. Which damn one is it? Oh, I think it's right here. If this bull run, we're going to look at this on the weekly. And I'm going to show you. This is on the log chart. This is the bull run of 2013 right here. You can see this trend line. You can see this trend line. And they acted the same. Space these out exactly even. But anyways, this bull run here, 2013, you can see down in the RSI, and I'll show you. We had 2 touches of resistance on this line before blowing through. I used to show this chart all the time, the beginning of, well, all through last year. But then you look here. This is 2018 bull run. 2 touches of resistance before breaking through. This here would be around December of 2021. That may be the top of this bull run. I thought I had go into the monthly. Maybe that's nope. But here's the monthly RSI. Same thing. I've made these 2 arcs in here. And it's playing out the same. We had 4 touches before starting, you know, before ending the bear market. Same thing over here from 2013. This is 2017. Yeah, I had I don't know where the hell it's at. I thought I had this. Let me go to the daily, see if it's on the daily. Nope. I don't know which chart I had that on. I'll try to find it later and I'll bring it up maybe in tomorrow's video or something. But I'm going to get this one off of here. Let's go back over here. Bryce McDuffie said, I feel like we hit 13,000 to 15,000 next month. I mean, anything's possible, but if you've been watching my videos in the morning, this is the only thing I'm looking at right now. And let me zoom in a little bit. So, try to explain this, especially for anyone that hasn't seen it. If I take the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high over here, put it up to the top, and we put it down to where it bottomed out, and you look at where this came to, the 0.618 and 0.65, which is the golden pocket zone, and we got rejected there and came down. Now, if we take the Fibonacci retracement, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but I'm saying definitely be aware that it could happen. And then we put it down to where we bottomed out. That Fibonacci retracement zone is going to be around that 11,100 area, 11,200, somewhere in this area. And what I've been talking about to be aware of, guys, and again, this doesn't have to happen this way, but timing kind of looks right too. So let's look at what I'm talking about. So this would be coming down here. And if you're familiar with triangles are usually A, B, C, D, E, and they break after E. Well, if we look at this would be, you know what? Let me pull up the A, B, C, D, E. That will make it a little bit easier. So this would be A, B, C, D, and then E. So our next touch would be probably, if this happens, guys, don't hold me to this. I'm not saying for sure, but it's a damn good possibility that we get rejected up here. As you can see, there's a triangle right here. We get rejected at the golden retracement zone again. We come back down. We could be retesting in the $78,000 to $8,000 area, where somewhere in this area, and that's going to be around March or April, and that's right around the halving. And then, you know, it could be full moonshot after that. Like I said, it's just a hypothesis now, but it's something to watch, and we will be watching this and talking about it as it comes along. So I want everybody to be aware of that. I know everybody's going to get really excited going up here. Keep in mind, you know, we could blow right through this. If we do blow through this, that's going to be bullish. Extremely, extremely bullish. Full bore bull run, period. So, yeah. I'm just showing you guys my thoughts there. And take it into consideration. ANT, I'm holding for long term. Yeah, same here, man. I got a HODL position that I am gonna continue to HODL. So A is always the first big impulse down. No, it depends on what way the triangle's going, obviously. Here, I'll just show you real quick. Let's draw a triangle in here. Let me use a there we go. Put white lines. All right, depending on which way you're coming from, let me so let's say we were coming from, let's say we were coming from, whoops. Let's say it was coming from the top. So it would be, once it hits, it would be the first opposite, A, B, C, D, E, and then after E would be breakdown. E doesn't always hit the other side. And guys, you're not always going to see triangles always play out like this, but this is the ideal way for him to play out. And if it was coming from the up position, just like this, you would come up and it would be A, B, C, D, E, and then up. That's kind of how bull flags work too. Bull pennants, whatever you want to call them. $11,119.5 is where I'm stopping out. Like I said, make sure there's no guarantee that's what's going to happen. Just watch it. Who has 1+ Bitcoin? I don't think anybody should tell anybody how many Bitcoin they got. Big Mark in the UK. Evening Savvy. How long you been live? Just got in from work. Probably about a little over a half hour, maybe. Computer Tech Solutions. The question is, why did Bitcoin not reach 40K at the end of the year? Because it didn't. Because timing is the hardest thing to judge on the market. Why didn't it reach 1 million by the end of the year? Why didn't it reach 100,000? Why didn't it reach 60,000? All the big firms were calling for all kinds of numbers too, and they never hit. So, yeah. Proud to say I do. And we will hit 46K. Why didn't it reach 2K, right? Why didn't it reach 1,000? Why didn't it reach 1,500? Why didn't it reach 700? McAfee said 1 million or eating. McAfee's full of crap. And I just seen today he tweeted Bitcoin's old, blah, blah, blah. If you guys know McAfee and know what he did last time, he used to do a coin of the day. He shilled shit coins like any shit coin. Verge was one of them. And after the day after he would make it the coin and he would talk about it, it would pump. He made a shit ton of money, and that's what he's preparing to do again. So be careful, guys. Don't listen to him, because he's gonna be calling out shit coins and they're gonna pump and dump hard. Don't get caught up in it. He is prepping people for that right now. That dude has made so much money shilling shit. Be careful. ANT said, I think this year the market is going to skyrocket. I think the market's going to do extremely well this year, but I think 2021 it's going to blow people's minds. Spearsh, what's up, man? Crypto King said he was paid a shitload. Oh, hell yeah. He was paid to mention it, and then they would give him a shitload of coins too. So he was one of the ones dumping it on everybody while it was going up. He made millions, millions and millions. And he's setting up for it again by talking shit about Bitcoin so he can shill shit coins. So be careful, guys. Do not get caught up in that shit. If McAfee mentions a coin, stay the hell away. Stay far away. Run, run. Yo, Savvy, you're staying live till daily candle closes? If yes, what do you think will happen? No, I'm not staying till daily closes. I am actually probably gonna be on here for another 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna do a Zoom with the members. We're gonna all get together on Zoom, share our charts, and have a little Zoom meeting. So if there's members in here, make sure you watch out. I will be sending the link out after this. I'll be sending it to the members room, and I'll be sending it out in the members chat on YouTube. So just so you guys know, make sure you keep an eye out for it, and make sure you join the Zoom. It'll be a good time. Matthew said, if we're alive, the epidemic is worldwide. The WHO just released a global emergency. Millions affected, and it was covered up. What time does the monthly close? Is the monthly close today? What the hell is the date? The monthly closes tomorrow, 7 p.m. And if we already blew through that. I mean, we're definitely in an uptrend. There's no doubt. If cash is contaminated, crypto is the alternative, right? That's a good way to look at it. What's Zoom, Savvy? Tell us all. Zoom is a it's a pro, like when you see people do interviews online, they're not, most of them are using Zoom. Like when I had Ugly Old Goat on here, or when CryptoSavy, I was on his channel, we use Zoom. So everybody can share their screens with each other, so we can have, you know, 20 people, 100 people all together. We can all talk, share our screens, and it's just like a big meeting. And you do it from sitting at home. It's pretty cool. McAfee was saying Bitcoin is the real shitcoin yesterday. That's what I was saying, Mark. He's just getting ready to shill shitcoins again and make a shitload of money like he did last time. Looks like we're about to have our next leg up here, guys. What are some other shitcoins? Cardano, Tron. There's... Just open up CoinMarketCap and 99.9% of the coins are shitcoins. Are we going to 9-7? Don't know why we are here. Do we pass resistance already? I believe that is where we're headed, to the 97-ish area, but we could go all the way to 10,000. Anna. Offshore agrees. 2021, all hell breaks loose with Bitcoin. Right? What's up, Anna? Can anyone join a Zoom? No, it's members level 2 and 3 for the Zooms. It would be way too crowded if we just let anyone join. We never get... Wouldn't be able to actually help each other. There'd be too many people in there. Just Bitcoin, ETH, and Litecoin will survive. I believe that's most likely going to be the case. I am not a fan of Ethereum, but, you know, more power to you. It's not, you know, claiming to do the same thing as Litecoin and Bitcoin anyway. It's kind of a totally different ball game, but Big Mark said I like Zombie. Me too. Zombie's a good dude, man. If anybody in here doesn't watch CryptoSavy, check him out. He's got a great channel. He's an awesome guy too. Super good guy. Super good guy. He's not a bullshitter. He's not an ass munch like Chico. He doesn't have little man syndrome like Chico. Lots of YouTube Bitcoiner blather, but I find Savvy is by far the best analyst. Up or down, he doesn't care, just puts out truth. I'm impressed. Thanks, Steven. Would you rather have 0.25 BBC or 35 Litecoin? BBC, you mean BTC? Or 35 Litecoin for long-term hold? I would split it. I wouldn't hold just one or the other. I think every year someone always said it will be the year for Bitcoin. I heard 2019 would be the year. Yeah, crypto face junk too. Damn. 35 Litecoin all day, any day. How do I become a level 2 and above Savvy? Just if you click the join button down below, it tells you in there. You and Zombie are my two faves. Thanks, Thomas. Tyler S is the king. Opened a long 6,800 because of him, and it's getting pretty damn well. Diversify. Bahama, North Carolina says the fun is back. Bahama NC. I don't know who that is, but okay. 70% Bitcoin, 30% Litecoin. Hold long term is what I do. I'm the same, Bryce. 2019 was the year to buy. Trade alts if you wish, just make more Bitcoin with it. Yeah, like I said, if you're gonna trade alts, there's nothing wrong with that. But to believe in them is a whole different story, guys. A whole different story. Because the people that are holding the most of those alts and most of the people that made those alts are gonna dump those alts and they are gonna buy Bitcoin. And you'll be sitting there holding bags worth absolutely nothing. How many of the $5,000 alts will survive? 5, maybe. How about JP Morgan coin? Bankers coin? Junk. Savvy on air 5. What about Bitcoin Cash? Worth investing in? No, it's garbage. It is claiming it is Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. It's garbage. It's an imposter. It's total trash. I would not touch anything with Bitcoin's name in it that isn't just Bitcoin. They are scamming using the Bitcoin in the name to trick new people to buy their shit. Period. Savvy, do you think we will see a retracement after daily candle close? It depends on where daily candle closes. It depends on where the daily closes. No reason to apologize, man. I hate that stuff. Nothing towards you, man. Crypto King 66 said too much going on in the space. Big Mark, took me 3 years of listening to crypto people to weed out the crap. I only listen to 45 people now, including Savvy. Thanks, Big Mark. I'm happy I made the cut. Phil C, what's happening? People are loading on it and we'll watch them be bag holders. Stephen Watson, Litecoin tends to track Bitcoin's movements. I utilize Bitcoin analysis in the buying and selling decisions for Litecoin for much greater returns. Just saying. Yeah, you can do that, man. You got the time. Evening, John Brunson. Victor, what's up, man? Victor says, bro, this shit pump when you're live. I wish that was the case. I would just keep live. I'd just stay live all the time. Sleep live, eat live. Just keep it pumping. Sherry, you asking about Litecoin? What are you asking? Crypto rumor. Looks like we're double topping with 1027. Looks like we're double topping with 1027. So we're talking about... Where the hell is 1027? Right over here? No. Over here, maybe, yeah. Over here. The 10.5, that's what I was saying. If you haven't seen, let me show you real quick. I am putting this possibility out there, guys, and I've been talking about this for about 2 weeks now. This could be an inverse head and shoulders. We do get up to that 10,000 to 10,500, get a rejection. We could be coming back all the way down to 74, 7,500, and that would get us around the halving time. And then come up for the right shoulder on the inverse head and shoulders and blast off. And the measured move of that would be around 14,600, just enough to beat our old time high. Check it out. Could be the case. We'll see. But yeah, I've been talking about that for about 2 weeks now. You can roll back into my videos. Check it out. I have started to see other people start to talk about it now. Isn't that always the case? Bitcoin Cash stopped producing blocks for 5.5 hours. Find out why. Google it. It's terrible news for Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, I seen that. It's garbage. That's why. That's the problem with BTC. There's no ownership and the scammer can use a BTC name. Yeah, but I mean, eventually everybody's going to know the real BTC. It's going to happen. Eventually all the shit will get weeded out. The scammers that are doing it, they know their coin isn't Bitcoin. They're not gonna hold on to it. They're eventually gonna switch totally over to Bitcoin and dump their bags as soon as they get it pumped up enough where they can dump their bags, make a shitload, and buy Bitcoin. That's their plan, believe it or not. I'm getting short squeezed. Shouldn't have entered. Yeah, man. Yep, shouldn't have entered a short for sure. Hopefully you weren't part of that group that they all shorted because their awesome leader told them to short and was screaming it from the top of buildings, and he took their money for the trade pool and now he lost it all. Just saying. Julian Solomon, how are you gonna short this? I won't short until I know we are starting a correction. Yeah, I will not start shorting this unless I know we are definitely started the correction. Like I said, we could get all the way up to the 10.5 area. So, I will keep everybody updated on what I'm thinking every morning, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates every single morning. Michael Fairman, I only watch and subscribe to this channel, far better than others. The Savy channel, or the Savy, by far the best, very informative, hooked, also enjoy watching the chats. Thanks, Michael, but it's always good to find somebody else too to watch, I mean, and get different perspectives. Nobody's right 100% of the time, even though I do give targets for both directions, but it's always good to get other, find a couple people you like. Trade the trend. This is a bull trend, Dan said. Julian Solomon, no, I was just saying, how is one person going to presently short like right now? Yeah, I don't know, man. There's people that there's a such thing as a market psychology, and a lot of people get sucked into it. Everybody gets sucked into it from time to time, but yeah, I don't know. I guess after being in it, the longer you're in it, especially being in Bitcoin, I know people say all markets are the same. I don't believe that. I believe Bitcoin is a little bit different type of market. It does have a little bit different moves than other markets. And I don't know. The longer you are in Bitcoin and watch the charts, you'll see it has a personality. And once you get the feel of that personality, it makes it a lot easier to judge Bitcoin. Let me go over to the 1 hour. See something real quick. Pop this on here. $97.50. Yeah, I still believe we're gonna get this little leg up here, guys. Whoops. We'll know here shortly. Except when the next, well, we'll see. Still looks bullish. Damn it. Did I miss the TA, Adam? Yeah, for the most part. I mean, in the beginning we talked a little bit more about it, but should I buy Bitcoin now or wait till tomorrow or WW? You can do whatever you want, man. Hey, what's up, crypto fam? What's up, Treese? How far is this gonna go, Savvy? I got my targets up here from 97.29. I showed, this is what I posted in the members group yesterday, this chart here, and that's the one we're looking at now. And we were down at 92.30 when I put that in there. and I'm still, nothing has changed for me. I'm still looking for that 97 area. Possible if it gets stopped a little sooner, about 96.90, but I'm looking for about that 97.30 area. Remember, we could go back down here and retest the top of this line around 9,400. So keep that in mind. Actually, yeah, 9,400, 93.80, somewhere in that range. We could retest this area before continuing up, but it does look like possible a bull pennant forming here and getting ready to shoot up. So can that drop to at least 180? Sure, it could, and it most likely probably will. Here's for the advice, Steven. Appreciated. Hoover, Coinbase doesn't do Bitcoin SV. Just get some kind of legitimate online wallet to temporarily put it, is my suggestion. Then you maybe can move it into the real exchange somewhere or hard wallet. Well, thanks for helping them, because I don't know who asked what. It's hard to keep up with the chat sometimes. Crypto Will, best time to buy Bitcoin is when you have extra fiat to spend. Just my view, not advice. Right on, brother. True believers don't care what the price is. If they have spare cash, they buy Bitcoin. Anyways, I think I might get off here, guys. And remember, members, I will be remember, members, that sounded funny. Don't forget, guys, I have links down below that really help the channel out. There's some trading links or some exchange links down there. There's a Bybit link and a Prime XBT. By using my link and you sign up and make a deposit, you do get a bonus. On top of that, they'll put it in your account. Also, a lot of other stuff down there. Check it out. Anyways, thanks for stopping in. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily updates every single morning. And Nathan said just stay live. I can't, man. I'm going to be getting with the members, so watch out for the Zoom link within the next half hour or so. I'll be sending that link out. I hope to see you guys in the Zoom meeting. And yeah, I'm out of here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It was fun, and I really appreciate it.